Sorry. Oh, interesting.
Not as interesting.
To deal with fear before my public talks, I usually use two things: imagination and imagination. Public talks and academic conferences were always exciting, but also challenging for me. Exciting thing about the public talks is that they give you the chance to speak up and share the things that you are passionate about. Another great thing about the academic or other types of conferences is the opportunity to meet like-minded people from all over the world. This exciting thing comes with some challenges. So are we ready for the challenge? We are ready for the challenge. Honestly, I hate noise. Today is the day of the talk, and I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not saying that I'm pretty calm. That's kind of not possible. I think I'm certainly nervous, but I know how to really work it out. Even a child can manage to do it if he or she were taught how to do it. So it's that we live in our age and thank you to George. Even the Greek astrologist can do it. The strange thing about the fear of public speaking for me is that I don't really feel any fear that I'm already in front of the microphone. All my fears come an hour or two before the talk. I need just to survive these 2 hours and I'll be safe. To fight anxiety before my public talk, I first try to focus on that sensation of excitement and to see my presentation as an adventure. Psychologists say that it's much easier to switch anxiety to excitement than to turn it into calm. An American psychologist, McAdam, here on YouTube, has a lot of videos about anxiety and how to deal with it. I really like one that I linked at the description box below, so check it out. I didn't try to stay calm when it comes to the public talks, because it's kind of not possible. But to be excited about the public talks, it's something that comes actually very naturally if you're really passionate about the things that you are going to say. And then I used my imagination to transform myself into someone confident. Recently I've seen this picture in the net. It says, "I'm just reading the book here, but in reality I'm ready to fight all troubles." And at that conference, just a little bit before my talk, I imagined that I also have a sword in my hand. And it worked! I really felt less nervous. I never was really good at reading aloud in any languages I know, including my own. And this means that I never actually read from my notes when I present a paper at the seminar or conference. I have my method. I rehearse around 10 times before my conference, and it helps. I never write down the entire text that I'm going to say, but I make some bullet points and put them in the PowerPoint presentation. Then I rehearse. I use this presentation, and the more I rehearse, the more I remember the things that I'm going to say, and the more confident I feel. Right, here's the grey cottage, just behind me. I left my bag there and gonna explore the city before the conference starts.